Guys, like me can't understand. And me alone. And me alone ever take a policeman? Why it bone the soul? Why it bone the soul? That mad me. Me a try to wrap my head round the fuckery, the friggery. Where one of people are trying to tell me say, "Awa, him not deserve love too. Him not deserve love too. Him not human being like me and uno." Me not understand. Like, please, please. Well, it done gone bad, my fiance. Who want 8-8? Who want 8-8? More bad mind. Me can't bother the problem. I'm not trying to tell him to say, like it or love it. But I love him and that's it. You see this? It's for uno who don't like the facts. Somebody with a police officer. He love me. Period.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? El día de hoy estamos algo tristes porque ha estado lloviendo demasiado. Miren, todas las lonas se nos rompieron. Las lonas con las que tapamos aquí a nuestros perritos, miren, están todas llenas de agua. Se reventaron por el peso del agua. Se nos reventó aquí todo. Tenemos miren, se quebró. El agua nos pegó duro, amigos. Yo quería pedirles a todos ustedes un donativo para hacer un tejabán con unas láminas fuertes que soporten la lluvia. Tristemente nos agarró en curva esta tormenta y pues miren cómo quedó aquí. Está todo mojado, todos los perritos están mojados. Esperemos que no se vayan a enfermar, pero quiero pedirles un donativo, aunque sea chiquito, y yo creo que entre todos podemos lograr juntar para hacer un tejabán, taparles bien con una lámina fuerte para que no nos vuelva a suceder esto. Por favor, ahí les agradecería si ustedes quieren hacer un donativo en mi cuenta de PayPal. En mi perfil está la cuenta donde ustedes pueden hacer un donativo. Les agradezco mucho, amigos, a todas las personas que nos han estado apoyando, a todas las personas que se preocupan por nosotros, que han visto por nuestros rescatados, por todos los perritos que tenemos. Aquí andan todos mojados. ¿Se mojaron? ¿Sí? Ya vamos a hacer un tejabán, ¿Qué, mi vato? ¿Andas mojado, vato? Sí. A todos, amigos, muchísimas gracias. Los quiero mucho. Si apoyan en esto, les agradezco demasiado. Cuídense, Dios los bendiga. Que tengan buena noche. Hasta luego.
Alright, so this is my piece of trash vehicle. Tesla Model S 2013 that I just got rid of. This is what got me in trouble. This is what got me banned off of TikTok for a week. I wasn't able to post because I was giving and sharing my experiences with you on what I had with this car. Brand new, I paid 142 G's for this. Within 4 years, I think it was 4.5 years, I had to put a new motor in it. So they replaced it. That wasn't covered under warranty. During that time, what I wasn't aware of is that there is water that leaks out. I don't know if it's the AC condenser or the AC unit, but basically the water from something related to the AC leaks on top of the battery. There's no hose that goes out on top of it. I'm not making this up. I have a report from Transport Canada that shows you this. The battery needed to be replaced. I contacted Transport Canada. They took a look at it. They asked Tesla to remove the battery, take it out, and let it dry out to get the high voltage down. They did that. I was able to get 4 or 5 more months out of it, and then it just suddenly died. The weird part is the circumstances on how the car got shut down. My videos on TikTok started blowing up. They started doing well, and it could be coincidence, but one day I was driving, had 300 kilometers charged, I plugged in my car, it was fully plugged in the whole time, and then it died the next day. That's what the concerning part was. I've talked to other Tesla experts, people who have taken apart lithium batteries and replaced the modules, and they said normally battery degradation, even when you do have to replace it, happens in modules, and each has its own modules. So, you might lose 20 kilometers 1 week, you might lose another 20, and then another 20, and it goes slowly. It never goes from 300 to 0. I have a video that shows low voltage, and it shows that the kilometer was at 0. Do you know how much energy needs to be expended to go from 300 to 0? It's a ridiculous amount. So anyways, we were able to get the car unlocked. He was able to pop the front. He was able to charge it. It's not the 12-volt battery. I know there's a lot of people being like, oh, did you check the 12-volt battery? It'd be such a shame to sell a car because the 12-volt battery didn't work. It's not that. It's the main battery pack. And so we got it open. I mean, you see that the doors are unlocked, but it's completely locked. It's a brick. It's done. It's sold. Got my money for it. Stay away from them. My opinion, I would never buy one again.